everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Stella. Welcome, Stella. Welcome. Hey, Saga. Welcome, Saga. Hey, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Running a little late this evening, but we'll catch up. All right. All right. So you guys should see my trading screen here. All right. Hey, Monica. Welcome, Monica. Welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. Okay. Markets was the Dow was down. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq were all down, but not enough, guys, to change anything. All right. So we still have buy signals on the equity markets. All right. So buy signal on the Dow here. All right. Buy signal on the Nasdaq, S&P. All right. VIX is still low. Right, at 1335, so that's good. Anything below 20, you guys know is good. And all of the sectors here, right? You see all these sectors here are all up. We only have one sector that's down, and that is energy. All right. So market's still looking good. Just a bit of a pullback today. Okay. All right. Let's go over current positions. You guys know big picture, right? On the equity markets, still bullish. All right, still bullish. Want to spend a little bit of time on Forex this evening. I know we've slacked off on Forex, right? Monster scalper for a bit here. A lot of focus on equities. So we'll still take a look at equities, but only technology and perhaps communication services this evening. All right, so let's go through current positions. In monster scalper. All right, so EuroCAD, EURCAD, buy signal is here. That's still holding. All right, we have a new rotation that we sent out earlier today with the Aussie and the Kiwi pairs. All right, so the New Zealand pairs. So Aussie dollar, all right, buy signal is here. That's still holding. All right, that's a new rotation, guys. All right, Aussie dollar, Aussie CAD, all right, buy signal is here. Right, moving up nicely there. Aussie Swiss, buy signal here, holding. New Zealand dollar, right, right, buy signal here. A bit of a pullback, holding here. Now we got in late, all right, but New Zealand CAD buy signal here, holding here. So most of you probably missed the buy signal here, guys. All right, so you can go to your smaller time frame, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Also, New Zealand Swiss, all right, buy signal here. We just need to get above resistance here. A bit of a pullback. All right, so we do have a rotation in the Aussie and the Kiwi pair. So you guys look here all up. If you go here, so most of you probably missed the rotation right at that buy signal. Okay, so what you can do, if you've got your time frames long, let's see. All right, so monster scalper long, you see, guys, right? That's the rotation right here. All right, all these are up. It's a small rotation, right? That group doesn't give a, we don't ever get a large rotation, but it's still a decent rotation. All right, so just go to your time frames here. All right, and what you can do is, I know they're down right now on the 60-minute. Just wait. All right, just wait for buyers to come in and wait for buy signals. We have two right here, New Zealand dollar as an example. All right, buy signal here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. So you can just wait patiently for the next buy signal here. This is on the 30-minute time frame. So it's trading well on the 30-minute, and you've got buy signals on the weekly time frame. All right, on the weekly time frame, you've got white candles here. That's good. All right, that's good. On the daily, you've got a buy signal right here on the daily, right? It's in the markup phase on the 240, same on the 60. So just wait, right? Wait on that 30-minute to give a buy signal, and then you can take the trade. If you've missed it on the 240, which I'm sure most of you guys did, unless you had been watching it, paying close attention. All right, I know we missed it. Okay, so that's the rotation that we have currently. All right, we send that out. So let's keep going here. All right, no shorts. All right, we did see the dollar really move lower, guys. So there might be um, some opportunities on your smaller time frames. That's the advantage of having the smaller time frames, guys, is that we can look for opportunities to continue the trade. All right, so we'll take a look at those shorts in the dollar. Here's the dollar right here. Here's the dollar index, and the dollar is really making a move lower. Okay, as a matter of fact, we need to move this here. All right, so we have support here. All right, support here. It's gotten past previous resistance is support, has gotten past that area. So the next target, guys, on the dollar is $100. Crazy, right? The dollar made a high at 106. Currently it's at 103, but right now the target is back to $100 all the way down here to support. Okay, so we'll take a look at the dollar pairs. We've missed the dollar pairs made a very strange move down. Wasn't straight line. We'll take a look at it. Okay. Forex dominator. Forex dominator. Current positions in Forex dominator. All right, Aussie yen, that's holding its buy signal right here. Swiss yen, all right, buy signal right here, still holding, right? It's markup phase, trend line. Euro yen, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback right here, but still holding. Pound yen, all right, same thing, buy signal here, all right, pullback, still holding, all right. HKD JPY, all right, that one closed. All right, guys. So a decent trade here. Buy signal was here, right? Broke support. Support is right here with a red candle. Exit signal, your white arrow here. So close the trade. All right. So HKD, JPY, close that trade in Forex dominator. HKD, JPY. That's your Hong Kong yen. All right. SGD, JPY. All right, that's still holding. Buy signal here. That's still holding. ZAR yen. ZAR yen. All right. Buy signal here. Red candle came in today. Failed. Look at this. All right. Always keep an eye on where the sellers are, guys. So we had right here. This is where sellers are sitting. And guess what? Right. It failed. No big deal. Red candle closed the sale either with a small profit, small loss. Buy signal was here. Just go ahead and close the trade. All right. So ZAR yen, we were hoping it would stay above resistance, keep moving higher. All right. But boy, a lot of sellers are sitting here. A lot of consolidation. Red candle here closes the trade. ZAR yen. All right. So let's remove that. All right. Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD. So we know the CAD pairs. We have a move in the CAD pairs. All right. So Aussie CAD, buy signal is here. Keeps moving up nicely, guys. All right. Good trade going here. Euro CAD. All right. Euro CAD, buy signal is here. All right. Holding nicely in the markup phase. Pound CAD, buy signal is here. All right. Trading nicely here. New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal is here, still holding. So CAD pairs still looking well. Euro pound. All right, Euro pound buy signal is here. Big white candle came in today. All right, that is a concern here. We'll see if we can get a bounce. Okay. The good news is it is. Let's remove this. It is holding that trend line, guys, right here, right here, right here, even right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and now right here. We need that candle to close above the trend line here. So if anyone is in it, just keep a close eye on that trade. We'll keep it for now. Euro N, okay, that closed. Okay, all right. So we got resistance right here. Always pay attention to your resistance and support, guys. All right, so that you're aware of what's going on with the price. So we know sellers are sitting here, sellers are sitting here, buy signal are here, and failed to stay above resistance. All right, broke support. All right, so it failed. No big deal. Broke support right here. Red candle, sell signal with a small profit here. Close the trade. All right. Sellers could come in and push that price much lower. So just get out, close the trade. No big deal. All right. EUR and OK. EUR and OK. All right. EUR and OK. All right. EUR-TRY. I think EUR-TRY is continuing to do well. So EUR-TRY, buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely there. EUR-HKD. EUR-HKD. All right. A buy signal here. Nice support here. All right. Nice support here. Buy signal moving up nicely there. EUR-SGD. Same thing. Support here, buy signal, holding. Euro, dollar. All right, good support. Buy signal here. We've got to get past resistance here. All right. So just keep an eye. Right. We know sellers are here. Sellers are here. Sellers are here. So we'll see what happens here. All right. At least we're getting movement, guys, with the euro pairs. They have been consolidating for a while. So at least we're getting some traction with that group. The only short we have currently, and I know we might regret that, only short USD CNH in Forex Dominator. All right, and that's a great short here. All right, that's surprising, but the dollar is making lower lows. So we talked about this, that we were getting right near support, and guess what? These pairs are breaking support. So we'll take a look at the shorts, but I think we've missed some opportunities with the shorts. Okay. All right, but hey, there'll be another trade. No big deal. Stocks. Let's take a look at stocks. And you guys know we are bullish on stocks, right? We're seeing tons of opportunities in Hit Seeker for both Stock Boss and Bull Master, right? I don't think I've seen these many stocks in a very, very, very long time. A few years. All right. I think we ran Stock Boss last Bull Master. Over 300 stocks, guys, in Bull Master. Hit Seeker for Bull Master last night. So tons of stocks. All right, let's go through these. So AMSC, buy signal here, right? Holding nicely. That's technology. That's in Stock Boss. All right. AMWL. All right. Buy signal here. All right. White candle today. We're going to go ahead and close that trade. Yes, the market was down, not by a lot, but this stock should be holding. If they're not holding, right? If they're not holding, we are bullish. We have buy signals on all these indexes. All right. Even the sector, technology sector. All right. Right here. Right. Where's technology? Right here has a strong buy signal. Look at that. Strong buy signal. Lots of buying. All right. So this stock right here. Right here, it's not holding. What we don't want to have happen is it breaks support and sellers come back in like this. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close that trade. All right, AMWL. All right, close that trade. Now, I know you guys, you're not going to trade all these stocks, okay, but this is practice. All right, this is how we learn. So You can monitor those, keep track of them, or just watch how we analyze them. Okay. So even if you don't trade it now, that's fine. Down the road, you might have a similar trade. Okay. So AMWL, close that trade. All right. ANGI, the symbol is right here. Buy signal here, still holding. That's technology, holding nicely. That's what we want. All right. We want to see these stocks hold. Even when the market is down slightly, they need to hold. Okay. So ANGI, that's good. ARQQ, buy signal is here. Let's see how it's performing here. All right. We've got white candles here. All right. That's technology. This one will hold for now. All right. It is holding support, right? It looks like we've got pretty good support right here. We'll keep it for now. All right. But keep an eye on this one. If anyone is in this, keep an eye on it. All right. ARQQ. AVPT, nice price action. That's holding fine. That's technology. All right. BBAI, that's holding. All right. BKKT, that's actually went up today. All right. That's fine. DH, that's fine. That's technology. All right. INDI, that's holding fine. INFN, that's fine. All of these are technology. Stock boss. MGNI, right? That's holding fine. You guys can see that here. All right. Nice markdown phase. MTTR, that's holding fine. All right. That's technology. All of these are technology, guys. MVIS, that's holding. NVTS, NVTS, NV, what's that? MVIS, and now NVTS. Very similar. All right. All right. OUST, OUST. Let's close this one here. Big white candle here, guys. That's not good. Let's close that. That's technology. OUST, we're going to close that trade. All right, PRCH, that's holding fine, needs to break resistance. All right, SOUN, that's holding. USI, look at USI, guys. Nice move there. WISH, that's holding. EGHT, that's holding. HNST, holding fine. Nice markup phase. MCW, that's holding fine. NDLS, that's holding. These are communication services. Those are the two sectors, guys. Two big sectors that are moving: tech and communication services. Okay. NMRK, nice price action. QRTEA, that's holding nicely, consolidating right here, but holding. That's what we, at the minimum, that's what we want. Okay. FATE, that's holding also, right? Holding right here. FATE, nice markdown phase there. VIR, that's holding also. BBD, look at that. BBD, buy signal here, holding solid. All right. Now we added financials. One financial, consumer non-cyclical, that's working. BRCC. Another one here, STKL. All right. We're testing these, see how they'll do. Buy signal here, really good markdown phase. Accumulation, buy signal in the markup phase. All right. STKL. GPRO, that's holding fine. And with a down day, guys, we just want this to hold. All right. They don't have to, we don't have to move up in a big way. Just hold. SPCE, all right. That's holding nicely there. That's capital goods. AMBP, All right, basic materials, nice, broke resistance today. All right, broke resistance, close a little bit above resistance there. Okay, that's AMBP. All right, BAK, that's basic materials, that's holding. And DNN, look at DNN. All right, nice move here. All right, inexpensive stock too, guys. All right, and then HUYA holding nicely. All right, so just a few we had to remove in Stock Boss. Now let's go to Bullmaster. All right, AI, that's technology, that's holding. AMD, holding fine, technology. APP, boy. Let's go ahead and close APP. We were hoping that guys, buyers would come in and, it's not moving lower. It's just holding right here. All right. You can, if you're trading it, you can move that capital somewhere else. So APP, close that trade. APP, close that trade. And we are a long way from resistance. All right. It didn't pull back and held right near resistance, right? It wants to test support. That's never good. Okay. All right. CRDO, nice buy signal, right? Moving nicely up. We have really good support right here and clear resistance right here. So this is where buyers came in, pushed the price higher, sellers, right, push the price lower, right, right between here. Now it's breaking out. Okay, CRDO holding firm. Okay. All right, DOCN. Look at this one. Really good job, DOCN. Good markdown phase, buy signal, all green candles moving up nicely there. All right. DV, that's holding. GoDaddy keeps moving higher. All right. GDDY, all right, moving higher. IAS holding nicely. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that. KTOS, that's moving up nicely, guys. Buy signal was here, moving up nicely. KTOS. MARA, that's holding. MRVL, that's holding. MSTR, good trade going here. Clearly in the markup phase. If anyone is in it, if it breaks resistance here or even above this area here, that might be an opportunity to add to the trade. Okay. PI, nice trade going here, guys. PI. All right, look at that. Buy signal here, gapped up, moving up nicely. PI, and all of these so far are in the technology. They're in the technology sector. PLBA, all right, holding. PLTR, all right. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, still way above resistance, holding fine. Riot, right? Riot, that's holding here. We've traded Riot before. We traded Riot in here, all right. SDGR, that's holding. Snap, look at Snap, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely in Snap. All right. STNE also, buy signal here, right? Holding. We need that to get to resistance here and then break out. Just keep in mind, sellers are sitting here, guys. Even here, we can count this. Okay. Just keep that in mind. SWI, buy signal is here. That's holding nicely. We got new support and resistance there. Okay. SWI. And all of these are technology, guys. A lot of technology stocks. Okay. And we'll look for a few more this evening. TSE, really good markdown phase. Look at this. Buy signal here. Buyers are coming in. Good trade going there. All right. VRNS, really good trade going here, guys. This is technology also. They are buying technology. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right. That's VRNS. RT right here. Buy signal is here. A bit of a pullback. All right. Still holding though. If this gets a white candle or if it breaks previous resistance, you guys know becomes support, close the trade here. Okay. So far it's holding. All right. WCC buy signal is here. This is the one that looks, I think the chart looks really, doesn't look great when we keep it like this. Is this the one? Oh, that's a different one here. That's a different one. Okay. So buy signal still holding. All right. Still holding. Resistance is up here. Okay. AEO. All right, guys, close AEO. All right. Nothing we can do about this. Absolutely. If this ever happens, just close the trade. I know we don't like it. All right. But when the market's open, and the trade gap down. So it gap down. You see this space here? It gap down at the open. All right. All right. And it gave a red candle sell signal. There is nothing you can do about it. Okay. Now it might fill that gap, but don't wait. Don't wait on that. Just close the trade. Okay. So buy signal was here at 1756, gap down. Closed at what's that? 1627. Nothing we can do about that. Okay. All right, so close the trade. Sellers can continue to move that price lower. All right, there's a reason why it gapped down. There's a reason why they got out of it. We don't need to know why they got out of it. They got out of it. They're selling it. We need to sell it. AEO, close that trade. All right, it's too bad. It was doing well, right? Buy signal was here. It was all the way up here, guys, almost at 20, gap down, you know, gap down, open at the low, and so close that trade. Nothing we can do about that. It is what it is. All right, that's AEO. All right, AEO in Bullmaster, and we're almost done with Bullmaster. All right, all right. All right, IEYE buy signal is here, holding firm. GPS. All right. GPS, guys, look at this. We've been talking about GPS. Buy signal was at 1170. All right. We were hoping that we know sellers are sitting here. We were hoping that it would get past resistance here, and it did that, right? Broke, gapped up, right? In this case, it gapped up, broke resistance, nice price action. No support and resistance, so just let it run. All right. Uh, and that's communication services. QRT EP, all right, right here. Buy signal holding nicely there, moving up higher. Okay, all right. We're doing good on time. So we'll take a quick look at Monster Scalper, and then we'll spend the rest of the evening on equities. Okay. So you guys know this is the rotation we have currently. All right. Um, so Aussie, Aussie pairs and Kiwi pairs. Okay. Just want to take a quick look here. The pound pairs are trying to make a move. Pound dollar. Hmm. All right. Very choppy in these pound pairs. If you guys are going to trade the pound pairs, you might want to do it on the smaller time frames. How many pips is that? 50 pips away. This is not a bad trade here, but it's 50 pips away. Okay. Ideally, perhaps, and it has a purpose support and resistance. Ideally, about here would have been good. We're trying to fight a trade here. Let's see here. Pound ZAR, that's gone. All right. You guys might want to put this on your radar. Pound SGD. All right. Pound SGD in Monster Scalper on a break of resistance. So here is resistance right here. Right. I would say right here. It's breaking out. It just needs a buy signal. Support is down here. Okay. So this is a clean one. Right. It's getting past this area here. All right. So and from here, it's got a really good markdown phase. So this is better. All right. So if you pull it back, really good markdown phase, guys, and it's getting past this area. All right. So pound SGD, we're going to put a question mark on this one to just kind of keep an eye on. We just need a buy signal. Okay. All right. So we're just looking for an individual trade for pound SGD in Monster Scalper. Pound ZAR. That has a breakout already, so don't chase it. What you guys can do is go to your time frame here and trade it on the smaller time frame for pound ZAR. Okay, here's the 30-minute time frame, has a good trade going here. All right, so you could wait until it closes and then look for another buy signal. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame here. All right, so it's got a great trade on that on the 15-minute. Let that close and then look for the next wait for the next buy signal. Okay, just be patient. All right. Okay, that's about it. Shorts. Now I think we've missed some short opportunities in the dollar pairs. Let's go through the yen pairs just to make sure. Okay. Now the yen pairs are pulling back more than we thought. Okay, so um, SGD JPY, SGD JPY, the yen pairs are breaking down. Okay, so sell short signal is here, right? It's moved back to that moving average. Okay, and now that candle wants to go back down. All right, a lot of times, guys, when the price moves to that moving average, just like it when they're going long in the markup phase, they'll pull back to that moving average and then keep going higher. All right, same thing happens on the short side. All right, they'll go up to that moving average just like it did here. Sell short signal came in here, went up to that moving average, came back down. All right, so now it's back at that moving average. And if you do a line like this, it's not far from that sell short signal right here. Okay, so sell short signal right here, the price is right here. That candle looks like it wants to come back down and keep going. Okay, so SGD JPY short in Monster Scalper there. Okay, New Zealand yen, nothing here yet. HKD JPY, all right, that's collapsed. All right, these shorts will move a lot faster, guys, than longs, right? The shorts really move fast, all right? Pound yen, nothing here. If these white candles, right, comes back down, turns red, breaks support, we'll take a look at it again, okay? All right, Euro yen, let's wait for that candle to come back down. So we'll put a support line here. We need sellers to come back down. All right, right here, break support here, right? We might miss it, guys. I know it's a holiday, right? Holiday. We have basically one more day of trading. I don't know if the market is open on Friday, um, and it might do half day tomorrow. Okay, so we're gonna put support line here. If it comes back down, hits that support, that's an area to enter. Okay, all right, nothing here. Nothing here. Okay, dollar pairs. Let's take a look at the dollar. All right, that's gone. That's gone. You know, we missed a really good trade in the dollar, guys. Um, that's too bad. So USD SGD. All right. So you guys might want to write this down. Right. Although we've missed it on the 240, you can bring in your smaller time frames to go short. So here was a good short here on the 30-minute time frame. All right. So although right, might have missed it on the 240, you can bring in your smaller time frame. So here you could just wait, right? If you get another sell short signal, that might be an opportunity to short it. So don't be disappointed, all right, that you miss it on the 240. You can go to your smaller time frames, okay? Same thing for USD SEK, all right? Right here, here's a great short on the 30, all right? A lot of times, buyers will come back in, all right, fake those buyers out, and then you get another, right, another opportunity to go short on this time frame here. All right, just like it did over here. All right, just like it did over here, right? You had one short, another short. All right, so great moves in the dollar pairs. All right, but go to your smaller time frames. All right, USD NOK, great short going here. All right, it's near support, but this dollar, the way the dollar is moving, it could move much lower, guys. All right, that's why we've kind of stayed away from it. But guess what? It's moving lower, and we just have to follow the price action. Okay. So here is USD NOK on the 30-minute time frame. You see this great short here. All right. So let those buyers come in. Just wait. And here's another great short. Okay. So again, don't be disappointed that you didn't catch it on the 240. All right, now that we have the smaller time frames, you can find a smaller time frame. 30 and 15, I wouldn't go any lower than 30 or 15 unless you're really fast. All right, 30 is good, 60-minute is good. All right, so if we bring in a 60-minute time frame, right, which is this one right here, right, look at that, great short here, and it's still holding. Okay, so we might get to the point, guys, where we find in direction on the 240, all right, and start trading on the 60 and the 30, all right, and get in earlier, get out sooner too, all right. So I know it's new, but it's been performing really well. Our traders really like it. Okay, so the time frames, that is, all right. USD, right? USD KD, same thing. Good short here. All right. Again, all right. Look at your smaller time frame. This one here is setting up. All right. So if sellers come in, if it breaks support, look at the 5-minute time frame. Just give a sell short signal right here. Right. We can see that price action move. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. All right, nothing on the 30 too much, but the 60 looks good. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, keep that in mind. All right, but the dollar is moving lower, guys. Dollar is moving lower. Be careful shorting them on the 240 because they've moved down deep into the markdown phase. So just be careful on the 240. USD CNH, look at that move there, straight down, guys. They move so much faster on the shorts, on the downside, rather than the up markup phase. But I would stay away of from the 240 use your smaller time frames. Okay. All right. Let's go to equities. So stock boss, bull master. All right. So let's run stock boss. We've got a few less, fewer stocks. So we have 83. So they've dropped a bit. And I guess that's because of the down. Market was down a bit. All right. So let's go here. We're going to go straight to technology. So we only have a few. NVTS, we're in that already. INDI in stock boss. We're in that already. Nothing here. Nothing here. ANGI, we're in that one. MVIS, we're in that one. Nothing here. UIS, we're in that one. UP looks good, guys. We just need a buy signal. All right. So UP looks really good. We just need to wait for a buy signal. Okay. UP. All right. So nothing in transportation. Let's take a look at communication services there. Let's see what we have. Nothing there. So this is a quick round for stocks. I thought we would have more this evening. All right, SBH. All right, SBH, we're not in that one. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, choppy in here, guys, but not bad. If we look from here down, all right, not a bad markdown phase. We do have support here, so that will be a concern as we move higher. All right, here, all of this is resistance up here. All right. Let's pass on this one. All right, nothing here. Oh, so no stocks this evening in Stock Boss. All right. All right. No big deal. We've been adding, right? We've been adding. Bull Master. Let's take a look at Bull Master. So 92. So we went from 300 and change to 92. All right. So they slowed down. They slowed down today. No big deal. All right. So technology here. Run, RUN. All right. No buy signal on this one. Nothing here. Nothing here. MARA. I believe we're in this one. MARA. Yes, we're in this one already. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. DOCN, we're in that one. That's gone. BRZE. Let's take a look. BRZE. Guys, we'll finish in time. 7 minutes, we'll be done. All right. Okay. Interesting trade. All right. Interesting trade here. So if we go back to the daily, now we know we have the market's bullish. Okay. So we know we have buy signals on the ordinarily we would not take this trade. Okay. But we know we have buy signals on the indexes, buy signal on the sectors. This one here is breaking. All right, it's breaking out of this consolidation here. Right here is resistance, and we've got a buy signal. It's breaking out. Okay, so let me show you guys what's going on here. So we have a decent upward trend line. Okay, not bad upward trend line. Okay, so it's breaking out of this consolidation resistance right here. But if we look at the weekly, so this doesn't tell us a lot, right? If we look at the weekly, we can see here, guys, it's breaking out right here on the weekly time frame. Good buy signal. Look at the markdown phase on the weekly now. On the weekly, buy signal here, and look at buyers really jumping in on the weekly. Okay, so this is not a bad trade here. So BRZE, long, well, we know it's long. Okay, in Bullmaster. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Welcome, Anthony. Bullmaster. Anthony, we're almost done, bud. Bullmaster. All right, BRZE in Bullmaster. And that is, I think that's technology, right? We'll see in a minute. I want to take a quick look at the monthly. Monthly, not bad. White candles making higher highs, higher lows. Okay. All right. So we'll add this one here. Sorry about that. All right. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So good trade here, guys. It's breaking out. Okay. BRZE in Bullmaster. And that is technology. So that's tech. Okay. All right. All right. This is gone. And this one is gone. All right. So one this evening. I'm surprised by that. All right. Only one. And that's in Bullmaster. BRZE. Okay. All right. Let's go here. And then we'll be done. Our quick look at crypto. I know we haven't looked at Bitcoin in a while. It's still holding, guys. It's just consolidating at 36,000. Okay, so no change there. All right. Our e-mini traders, so US 30. All right, we are just holding. Okay, so that long position closed. Remember, we have a buy signal on the daily. All right, no buy signal on the weekly. Okay, buy signal on the daily. All right. If you guys go short, be careful. Right, the bias is to the long side. Okay, so we're looking to break resistance here. All right, and the equity markets are moving higher, so these e-minis will follow the equity markets. Okay. All right, so we're looking for that price action to, if it changes, we'll know, right? But we're just looking for that to keep going higher. So we're looking for a buy signal to come in. Now, we have a short trading week this week. All right, so don't expect, now anything can happen. Don't expect any big moves, but who knows, right? But what we're expecting is for the price to consolidate a bit. Let's do this instead. Let's do this. Expect some consolidation, right? We should be out right now. All right. So US 30, NAS, same thing. NAS 100. All right. We should, S&P, we should be out. This is right. Be careful shorting. Be careful shorting. Buyers are still in control, guys. All right. So you go short, you might get squeezed, okay, out of that position here. So we still have a nice upward trend line. Just wait. All right. You can get consolidation like this. These red candles come in, right? You might get faked out, right? So Just wait. Let it consolidate. Wait for the next buy signal. Okay. All right. All right. And just be careful this week. Slow week. All right. Not a lot of um volume. Traders are, they take the weeks off for the holidays, right? But when they come back next week, right, be ready to go. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, guys. That's it. Thanks for coming. All right. I will see you guys. I will have one more class. When is it? On tomorrow, Wednesday. And then I think we'll be back on Sunday. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye bye.